I was out trying to get my block wage. Never really spoke up on the gram. And that way a man could look bait. And them on the two-face. Talk about your plans in the works. Snitch for my pay, for my Jake. But my guys don't play. Spin round the blocks all day. The money racking clean 40. Even on a cold day. Never going home with no pay. The money on our mind foreplay. Chroma for the broken. Yeah, I never show no love. Cause I didn't want my love getting stolen. Yeah, remember cold dark nights I was lonely. You ain't try for me. Yeah, you had doubt in the kid. You call me. And you ain't try for me. You ain't try to throw me.
Tried to flow me, control me. Couldn't get no love, feeling lonely. All I wanted.
So much better. It's the man. Yeah, I mean, as usual, the car is driving amazing. You know, Alex done a lot of work for me over the last few days. A lot of things done to it, and I've never had it drive so smoothly. So yet again, love the feedback, love the constant updates you give me. Always available for questions, and the work is, you know, top notch as always. So appreciate it. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you.